Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nadia Putri Utami with student number 149, and today I will present an article about developing students' speaking skills through digital storytelling. So this article was written by Amrul Hidayat and his colleges and published in 2024. Okay, we move to the next slide. For the introduction, so speaking is an important skill in English because it allows students to communicate their ideas and opinions. And however, many students still have difficulties speaking English fluently and confidently. Therefore, teachers need effective teaching strategies. In this research, the researcher used digital storytelling to help improve students' speaking skills. And next to the purpose of the article. So the purpose of this article was to find out whether digital storytelling can improve students' speaking skills at the 11th grade of Pondok or boarding school Abu Bakar As-Siddiq Tarokong. And the researcher predicted that the digital storytelling will increase the students' speaking ability, both of fluency and accuracy aspect. And for the research objective, there are two research objectives here. The first one is to measure the improvement of students' speaking skills, and the second one is to examine the effectiveness of digital storytelling in improving their speaking ability. So, in other words, the researcher wanted to see whether the use of digital storytelling could help students improve their speaking performance in English learning. And we move to the methodology. So, this study used a quantitative method with a pre-experimental design. The population of the research was 32 11th grade students from two classes, and the sample was 15 students from class 9B selected using purposive sampling. And for the research instrument is oral speaking test, where students were asked to speak based on selected topics for about 10 minutes. And for the data collected is the data collected through 3 stages. The first one is pre-test, and then treatment, and the last one is post-test. So the treatment used digital storytelling for 5 meetings to help students practice their speaking skills. And then for the findings and result, so the result of the study show that students' speaking skills improve after the implementation of digital storytelling. The main score of the pretest was 50.6, and then which indicated that students initially had relatively low speaking ability. And after the treatment, the main score of the post-test increased to 70.6. And this improvement indicates that digital storytelling had a positive effect on students' speaking performance. Furthermore, the result of the t-test was higher than the treatment table value, which means that the alternative hypothesis was accepted, and therefore it can be concluded that digital storytelling is effective in improving students' speaking skills. And then next to the discussion of this article. So in the discussion section, the researchers explain why student speaking scores improve. So digital storytelling gives students more opportunities to practice their speaking and express their ideas creatively. So in addition, the use of digital media made the learning process more interesting. So students became more motivated and confident to speak in English. And finally, the last one is the conclusion of this article. So in the conclusion, the study found that digital storytelling was effective in improving students' speaking skills. This can be seen from the increase of student scores from the pre-test to the post-test. Therefore, digital storytelling can be used as an alternative teaching strategy to help students develop their speaking ability. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.